Hello and welcome to a 3D spaceship video. This is a futuristic spaceship because of course it's powered by an electric energetic core that we didn't discover any existence yet, so it's a little fantasy style because it doesn't have any scientific proof of existence of possibility, so it's just artistic thing. The middle thing is the energy core, and the thing around is the reactor that will use this power to make the ship work. This is a quick design because I'm not experimented in spaceships yet. We can see the wing on the right, and I use the modifier of mirror, the mirror modifier, to get this thing perfectly identical on the other side. I'm not really good right now with the geometry and mesh, so it's why this thing looks sometimes strange, but I think it's a lot better that I don't yet, because on my other YouTube channel you can go check it out. I will put that in the description. I have all my previous parkour in this domain, in the 3D domain. We have right now a whole plate, a whole surface for the wings and the middle body, because it's all in one. It's just an artwork, so it's not working. It doesn't have anything that can be used to really make this spaceship. Next week you will have some car modeling, and for the 3 or 4 next weeks it will be also cars, so you can watch the whole evolution of my car design. Of course I didn't make that each week, it's like 2 or 3 months of work. This thing also have some conduits, some pipes going from the core to the outside, so some of them are used to propulse the ship and some of them to fire just like weapons to the outside. So it's a little bit like a fighting style thing. We can extrude that and use a mirror to get the same thing on the other side. I also used some smooth shading. It's the first time I used that, so it's why the wings don't look quite nice yet, but it's also lots better than my cars, because my cars are strange right now. The subdivision modifier is a little bit hard to use on the corners like here, but it works, and it works very great. I just love this modifier, it's my favorite one. I then used a little bit of remodeling on the sphere because I didn't like the UV sphere for that type of thing. I made some windows for the middle, and I can just then extrude that and put that in to make like there is a real habitat in that, even if it's just a square and no one can live in. This spaceship is a little bit flat and doesn't consider anything like just aerodynamics or anything else, because in space you don't need to be aerodynamic, so it's why I just don't care on that project of any aerodynamic thing. I will then copy the sphere to make a little bit like extruded thing, like if the sphere was just dragging its power out, then using it to power and to make the ship going on. I can then texture it, make some colorful things. I didn't watch any video on how to make beautiful textures, so it doesn't look realistic, but I think it's at least beautiful. If there's a 3D artist in you, you can just reuse that model and make it 10 times better if you want, and it will help me. So we are coming to the end of that. We can just put some glass texture on the sphere behind and then render the whole ship. So thank you for watching. Please just consider leaving a like, a subscribe, anything, and most importantly, enjoy your day.